Hello friends, welcome back to Statisticians Hub. Today we are going to explore how to conduct a one-way ANOVA using Microsoft Excel. ANOVA is a statistical method which is used to determine if there are any statistically significant difference between the means of three or more independent groups. I am Joy. Let's explore. So, one-way ANOVA compares the means of two or more independent groups in order to determine whether there is statistical evidence that the associated population means are significantly different. Let's see the assumption of one-way ANOVA. The basic assumptions are the sample should be normally distributed and each sample has been drawn independently of the other samples. And the formula is, this is the formula where mu equal to grand mean and alpha I is the effect due to ith level and Eij is the error effect. Let's go to the Excel and see how to calculate one-way ANOVA in Excel. Here I am taking one example. In this example, there are 30 students to participate in a study. The students are randomly assigned to used on one of three studying techniques for the next 3 weeks to prepare for an exam. At the end of 3 weeks, all the students take the same test. These are the test score of the students. Now, we want to check the means of these three techniques are equal or not. So, we go to data and click on data analysis. Click on ANOVA single factor and press OK. Now we select input range. So I select all these three techniques and click on columns. Next we check labels in first row and select output range. Here I am select G2. Now press OK. Our output is appear. Here you can see that the number of observation is 10 and the averages for technique 1, technique 2 and technique 3 are 83.4, 89.3 and 84.7, and the p-values is 0.113848. Since the p-value is greater than 0.05, so we may accept our null hypothesis and conclude that the means of all these three techniques are equal. If we find the results are statistically significant, then we have to do post-hoc test. But in Excel, there is no option to do post-hoc test. For this, we have to use any other upgraded software like SPSS, Strata, R programming, etc. That is the all about one-way ANOVA in Microsoft Excel. If this video helps you, don't forget to like Statisticians Hub for more statistical insights. Thank you.